Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you for joining us. We're glad that you're here. I'm Steve.
And I'm Scott.
And together we're Backyard Musings, the Science and Technology channel.
Yeah, we're talking about a health diet topic today.
Yeah.
Hopefully you guys are into this, the type of food that's in this diet, but it's supposed to be good for you. And we'll get into it.
Processed food bad, fresh food good.
Yeah.
All right. A new study from researchers at the USC Leonard Davis School of Gerontology suggests that part of the Mediterranean diet's health benefits may come from tiny proteins produced inside mitochondria, pointing to a possible link between diet, cellular aging, and disease risk. Remember, mitochondria is what binds the force together. Led by
we have talked about mitochondria before.
Right. It binds
remember that word.
It binds the force together.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, that's midichlorians. Wait, okay. Wait. Led by Roberto Vicinanza, Instructional Associate Professor of Gerontology at USC Leonard Davis, the study found that people who followed a Mediterranean-style diet more closely had higher levels of two mitochondrial microproteins, humanin and SHMOOSE. Not making that up. It's all capital letters, so it's got to be an acronym for something. SHMOOSE.
That's the word of the day.
SHMOOSE. Both have been associated with protection against cardiovascular disease and neurodegeneration. Would you like to know more?
Okay, the Mediterranean diet is rich in olive oil, fish, legumes, fruits, and vegetables, and it has long been linked to lower risks of heart disease, diabetes, and cognitive decline. All good.
Yeah.
Scientists are still working to understand exactly how it produces these benefits. For the new study, researchers examined blood samples from older adults who varied in how closely they followed the diet. Participants with the strongest adherence had much higher levels of humanin and SHMOOSE, along with lower markers of oxidative stress, an important contributor to aging and chronic disease.
The researchers also saw that particular foods seem to be connected with these microproteins. Olive oil, fish, and legumes were linked to higher humanin levels, while olive oil and lower consumption of refined carbohydrates were associated with higher SHMOOSE.
Okay, quote, these findings suggest that specific components of the Mediterranean diet may directly influence mitochondrial biology. This is according to USC Leonard Davis School Dean and USC Distinguished Professor Pincus Cohen. I hope I pronounced that first name right. The study's senior author. Going on with a quote, humanin and SHMOOSE could serve as biomarkers for adherence to the Mediterranean diet and have clinical significance. Okay.
The work builds on more than 2 decades of research led by Cohen, who helped pioneer the discovery of peptides that come from mitochondria. So this dude's been working on this for decades, and he finally produces a paper. That's
He's got to keep. He's got to earn his keep.
He's going to get paid, and he's going to get some food now. Yeah. Unlike typical proteins encoded by nuclear DNA, these microproteins are made from small open reading frames in the mitochondrial genome, areas that were once assumed to have no function.
Okay, humanin is among the best studied of these molecules. Cohen and colleagues first identified it in 2003. So yeah, that's been a bit, right? Yep. And later work has connected it with better insulin sensitivity, cardiovascular protection, longevity, and preserved cognitive function.
Cohen's lab later discovered SHMOOSE. Oh, here it is. Small human mitochondrial ORF over serine tRNA. So that's the SHMOOSE.
Wow.
Let me say it again. Small human mitochondrial ORF over serine tRNA. Sounds like a law school acronym to remember.
SHMOOSE.
Yeah. A microprotein associated with brain health. A genetic variant of SHMOOSE has been tied to higher Alzheimer's disease risk, while the normal form appears to help protect neurons from damage related to amyloid.
Okay. Quote again, these peptides are emerging as key regulators of aging biology, said Cohen. They connect mitochondrial function to diseases like Alzheimer's and heart disease, and now potentially to nutrition. Okay.
The study also identified a possible connection between humanin and NOx2, an enzyme that generates harmful reactive oxygen species. Maybe it's nitrogen oxide. That might be nitrogen oxide. Higher levels of humanin were linked with lower nitrogen oxide activity, suggesting that the peptide may help limit oxidative stress and support cardiovascular protection.
The researchers suggest the Mediterranean diet may act through two related pathways, reducing oxidative stress directly while also increasing mitochondrial microproteins that help suppress damaging biological processes. Quote, this could represent a new cardioprotective mechanism of the Mediterranean diet. That's according to Vicinanza. Is that how you pronounce it?
Vicinanza.
Vicinanza. Okay.
Outside the lab, Vicinanza has worked to promote the Mediterranean diet internationally, connecting his research with a wider effort to present the diet as a model for health, culture, and sustainability. He has collaborated with the municipality of Polica in Italy, a UNESCO Mediterranean diet emblematic community, to support creation of the International Day of the Mediterranean Diet at the United Nations.
Okay, the observance will take place each year on November 16th and is intended to raise global awareness of the diet's health, cultural, and environmental value. Vicinanza said that the mission fits with the study's findings. Although the study was small and observational, the results point towards a growing area in precision nutrition. That was a quote, I guess, precision nutrition. Where biological markers such as mitochondrial microproteins could one day help guide diets designed to help improve health and support longer life. Hope so.
Future studies will test whether specific dietary interventions can directly raise humanin, SHMOOSE, and related peptide levels, and whether those shifts lead to lower disease risk. I don't know if you understand that, but the moral of the story: eat more fish, legumes, artichokes, olives.
Sure.
And you'll be better off for it.
Right. Whatever you say.
Throw in some leafy greens, and you're good to go.
Okay. Good to go to In-N-Out. Okay. Here we go.
All right, folks. Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you in the afternoon.
See you this afternoon. Thanks.